It's got bacon. It's got apple. It's got yams.
It does smell like autumn, doesn't it?
It's autumn. It's very autumn. Welcome everybody back to edition, what is it, edition episode? It's autumn. Autumn's a funny word. But this recipe is called one pan autumn chicken. So we have to use the word autumn. What does autumn come from? It's very dated. Okay, so one pan, which I love.
Everything on one pan.
So I put some foil down because there will be oil in this and there's gonna be some runoff. So I put the foil down so when this is done, I can just kind of crumple it all up and toss it. What are like the stars of this recipe? I see bacon.
We have some chicken thighs.
Yes.
Cut yam or sweet potato, Brussels sprouts, we're gonna have them, shallots, garlic, and some Fuji apples.
All different types of vegetables that you would find in season in autumn. Instead of buying a yam, skinning it the right word? Probably not. Peeling it, and then chopping it myself. We already have this already chopped from all of our stores, so we do this for you guys. This is pretty easy so far. Sage is an autumn seasoning, for sure. This is not the right knife for this job. Brussels sprouts are back in season.
Your favorite.
Ugh. My mom used to always make me eat these, but she would like steam them or boil them and then just put olive oil on top. Ugh. When I was a kid, if I said I was allergic to something, I was always allergic to Brussels sprouts. That was my like annoying kid thing to say. Are these just like mini cabbages? Because that's what they look like. But one of the things when you're roasting Brussels sprouts is you want to get rid of the loose leaves that are kind of not holding on to the stems, because if you don't, they will burn.
I'm just putting the chicken thighs into the marinade here.
I kind of like the idea of apple in this. I'm feeling very satisfied with my appearance of this dish.
It's very autumn-like, right?
Isn't it? How much bacon are we gonna do?
4 slices, please.
That's it. I have used one knife and one cutting board. This has been wonderfully easy and clean.
So now you're gonna just sprinkle the bacon to cover that.
And if I did more than 4 pieces, are you gonna be upset with me? Bacon.
Bacon makes you happy?
Bacon makes me happy.
Bacon.
Now, do you throw it on a little broil at the end?
So I did put it on broil at the end just to brown it a bit.
Well, that looks good. How come everything you make turns out so good? Like, what is it?
We'll just get some veg, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts, and some bacon. Can't forget the bacon. Oh, and some apples in there.
This is not for one person, obviously. You could make this like a platter. Like, we could do this as like a platter.
Okay.
As if we were serving it for many, many friends. This would actually be a good thing to have for people over. Mm-hmm. Hey? Because like, that was easy.
Very easy and very little mess.
Right?
It has got vegetables. It's got your meat. The sweet potato is very hearty. It's just an easy one-pan dinner. That's all you need.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
Good find. This is a good recipe. We'll put the recipe in the description down below. All I need now is like a wood-burning fire. What else is autumn? That's it. That's all I know. Anything else autumn? That's autumn.
Vince's pumpkin pie would be good after this.